In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change buckets in Microsoft Planner. If you're organizing tasks and want to quickly move something from one stage to another, the drag and drop method is the fastest, most intuitive way to keep your plan tidy and up to date. Start by opening your plan and making sure you're in the board view. The board view shows your tasks as cards arranged in vertical columns called buckets, such as to do, in progress, or completed. Look near the top of the planner window and confirm that board is selected so you can see those columns. If your plan is grouped by buckets, you'll see clear column headers with the bucket names. This is the layout you need for moving tasks around. Next, find the specific task card you want to move. A task card is the rectangular tile that shows the task title and, depending on your setup, things like due dates, labels, checklist progress, and assigned members. Instead of clicking the title, which opens the task details, click and hold anywhere on the card background. On a mouse, that's a firm left click and hold. On a trackpad, press and hold without releasing. You'll usually notice a slight visual lift or shadow effect that indicates the card is ready to move. While still holding down the mouse or trackpad, drag the task card toward the new bucket. As you hover over a different column, Planner typically highlights the target area to show where the card will land. If your plan has many buckets and they extend off screen, slowly move your pointer to the edge of the window to scroll horizontally, or use your trackpad gesture or mouse wheel while still holding the card. Keep an eye on the column headers so you place the task in exactly the right bucket. When the target bucket is highlighted, release the mouse or trackpad. The task will drop into that bucket instantly. Nothing inside the task changes. Its notes, attachments, checklists, and comments remain the same. Only its bucket assignment is updated. If you decide it belongs somewhere else, just repeat the drag and drop motion to reposition it again. This is also a quick way to correct accidental drops. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Ensure any filters aren't hiding the card you want to move. If something seems unresponsive, a brief refresh can help. Also, if your organization uses rules or notifications, moving a task might trigger updates for your team, so place it thoughtfully. That's all there is to it. Open your plan in board view, click and hold the task card, then drag and release it over the new bucket. Simple, fast, and perfect for keeping your work organized.